So in this tutorial, we'll be seeing how to use Git and GitHub. Okay. So first get into github.com within your browser and log in with your username and password. Okay. So after that, you will be greeted with this web page. Now we need to create a new repository first. So you can just give any name like demo 1234 or anything. Make sure the repository is public, okay, not private, and just simply click on create repository. Okay, so you'll be getting a URL like this. So kindly copy it. And before we get on with the experiment, you need to make sure that Git has been installed into your system. So Git download for Windows and follow with the instructions. So now you can open command prompt. Okay, to check if we have Git installed, click on Git double dash version. So you'll be getting a message like this. This indicates that Git has been installed successfully. Okay, now before we get on with the following commands, what you need to do, a simple tip to not get any errors is that so what happens is many people would have used Git, okay, with their own accounts. So many people will be facing issues like not being able to commit or not being able to push. So the simple fix for that is, so go into your user C drive, users, the user which you are logged into. So in our lab, the name would be KPTCS. So click on that, and you need to delete a few folders and files. So one such folder would be yeah, see, some such as like demo 123. These are the previous repositories the other person would have added, and one more would be git config. Okay, and yes, delete such folders and files like that. Okay, so just delete it. So once these folders are deleted, you can continue with the experiment. So first would be to add a username. So git config double dash global user dot name. So the username which you need to add should be the same as your GitHub username. So mine would be this. So I'll just put it. So after that is done, you need to add your email as well. So email. Okay, now as you have added your username and email, we need to create a folder. So mkdir make directory. So I will be keeping the folder name as same as our repository. So demo 1234. Put enter. Now we need to get into the folder demo 1234. So it will be Yashwant Rao demo 1234. Okay, now we need to create a markdown file, readme markdown file. So echo, this is a test file, kindly ignore, and I'll add it into a readme.markdown file. Okay, to see if we have actually created our file or not, we can just get into our file explorer, users, and Yashwant Rao. You will find here your demo 1234 file. Just make sure that the markdown file has been created. Okay. Now we can add this to our git add readme.md. Okay. Okay, first before we add it, we need to initialize. So git init. Okay, now we have initialized it. So demo 1234.git. So on a folder .git folder would be have created. Now we can add our readme file. So next git, we will commit it. Commit -m. So as this is the first commit for our repository, I will type first commit. Okay, so now we have seen that one file is changed. So this indicates that our file has been successfully committed. So now we have to push it. So we need to add our repository into our git application. So git remote add origin. So now we need to paste this this URL is there, right? We need to just blindly paste it into our command prompt and hit enter. So now as we have added the repository, now we can push into the repository. So git push dash u origin master. Okay, and we hit enter. So wait for some time. Okay, now if you get a message like this, it indicates that it has been successfully pushed. One thing to note, that if master doesn't work, you can always use main. Okay, so now into the website we can just go into demo 1234, and you will see that it has been updated here. Okay, and if this has been updated over here, this indicates the experiment has been successfully completed. Thank you.